Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by adding a workflow file in GitHub/workflows/main, iml so the pipeline exists. Define a trigger like push or workflow dispatch to run when you want. This starts automation immediately. Next, choose a runner. Ubuntu latest works for most builds because the environment dictates available tools. Once done, add a basic job with steps. Checkout, setup language, and run tests. These first actions get your pipeline running and make future changes incremental and safe. Now you flesh out jobs and steps to perform tasks. Create jobs for build, test, and deploy. Each job runs on a runner and can depend on others, so order is explicit. Use official setup actions to install runtimes. They simplify caching and versioning. For parallel testing, add a matrix strategy to run multiple versions. Make sure to reference secrets via secrets. Name and set environment variables at job or step level, so credentials and configuration stay safe. Finish by adding a deploy job that depends on build and test jobs, so you only release passing artifacts. Upload build artifacts and enable caching to reduce time on subsequent runs. Once configured, push and watch Actions tab for logs. If deployment fails, inspect the step logs for the first error, rerun the failed job, and ensure secrets and permissions are correct. One key troubleshooting tip: validate your YAML indentation and use a linter or GitHub's workflow editor to catch syntax mistakes early.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.